what we're going to do today is I'm going to build a cabinet to set him on, a roll around cabinet with wheels where I can roll him out against the wall when I ain't using him. I can pull him out when I need him, and I ain't got to pick this heavy son of a gun up. So that's what we're going to get started on here today. Let me move you around here and get out of this sun. I can't hardly see out here. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I broke down this sheet of plywood the other day, and I got everything cut to the width it needs to be, which is 18 inches. And now I got to cut them to the length. And the shells, I'm going to cut them at 25 3/4, do a 3/8 inch dado on either side, which that'll give me a 25-inch space between my two sidewalls. So I have my two sidewalls. I'm going to have 4 shells, and then the top and the bottom I'm going to cut a 3/4 inch grooves, so they'll completely cover up the sidewalls and fasten them that way. So that the top and the bottom, they'll have to be at 26 and a half. We got the dado blade set up. It's 3/4 inches wide and 3/8 inch deep. So these are the sides. So we're going to cut the dados for the shells in this. And this is right at 30 inches. That's like 29 and a little over 29 3/4. So basically I'm going to cut my dados at a 6-inch center and a 12-inch from either end. That'll be a 6 and a 12, and then that center shelf, that would put it on center about 5 3/4, so it's off just a little bit. But then we take 3/8 over here on either side for our 3/4 inch boards. So I'm gonna set the fence up at 5 5/8 for this outside edge here, and I'll cut all 4, both ends on this one and both ends on the other one. Then we'll reset to the 12 inch and do the same thing. We'll cut both of them on this one and both of them on the other one. Alright, that's 5 5/8, and then the 3/4 make 6 3/8. Well, for the top and the bottom, I'm going to cut a 3/4 inch groove right along the edges where they'll fit right on the sides like so. So let's get that cut, and then we'll be ready to put this thing together. Well, I guess that one done. I'll be able to roll him around, put him up against the wall and get him out of my way, and pull him out when I need him. And it's pouring down rain today, so ain't no way I could go out there and get anything done today, but now that I got this, I can roll him out here and go ahead and plane my stuff down, and whether it's raining or not. Well, if you remember these, I just had them piled up in the floor, so now I've got a place to keep them. Just slide right in there like so. Keep them from getting messed up. And I also got 2 more shelves that I can put some other stuff on. Well, ain't much to it, just a box with some shelves. But I got wheels on him, I can roll him around and get him out of my way and be able to use him on them rainy days. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to push him over here against the wall and get him out of the way.